nature. That's what today's topic is on. It's all around us. Live animals, butterfly. Look at this guy. And basketball. So last time I beat Art 2 games in a row. And today I'm gonna beat him 2 games in a row, and it's gonna be faster. We only have 1 hour before he has to go to work, so I have to beat him in 10 minutes probably. What do you think?
I say you're the one that's gonna be beating me in 10 minutes.
Alright, we'll have to find out. No practice, just straight to basketball. No warm up to 21. We're gonna be there in less than a minute. We'll start the first video right there.